Math isn't just numbers, it's a language that explains our universe. From the plus that builds your bank balance to the pi that shapes your pizza. Today, we'll explore the most important mathematical symbols and how they show up in real life. Arithmetic symbols, basic math. These are the symbols we use every single day. Plus, addition, combining things. You earn $500, extra tip $200, now you have total $700. Subtraction, taking away, like calories burned after a run. Multiplication, repeated addition, 5 times 3 means 5 added 3 times. Division, splitting equally. 8 slices of pizza among 4 friends equals 2 each. Equal shows balance, like both sides of a weighing scale. Plus minus shows uncertainty or range, like temperature plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Square root, the number that multiplies by itself. Square root of 9 equals 3. Percent, out of 100, discounts, marks, or statistics everywhere. Relational symbols. These compare quantities and relationships. Greater than, 10 greater than 5. Your salary is higher than your old one. Less than, 3 less than 8. Your phone battery is less than 10%. Greater or equal to, at least that amount. You must be greater than or equal to 18 to vote. Or less or equal to. You can't carry less than or equal to 7 kilograms on flight. Not equal. 2 things aren't the same, like 5 not equal 10. Calculus symbols. Calculus is math in motion, used in physics, engineering, and AI. Or integral, adds up infinite tiny parts, like calculating area under a curve or total fuel used. d/dx, derivative, measures change, how fast something moves or grows. Delta means change, like delta time or delta temperature. Infinity, something that never ends, distance, numbers, or human curiosity. Set theory symbols. These symbols describe collections of objects, the foundation of data science. Element of, 3 is part of the set. Subset, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, one group inside another. Union combines sets, like merging 2 friend groups. Intersection, common parts, people who love both coffee and tea. Empty set, no elements, like your inbox on vacation. Number theory. Symbols, number theory is the math of secrets. It even powers encryption in your phone. Quant divides, 3, 9 means 3 divides 9. does not divide 4. 9 minus 4 doesn't divide 9 evenly. Congruent 17.5, Modi 12, used in modular math, key to passwords and cryptography. N, Z, Q, R, C, number sets, N, natural numbers, Z, integers, Q, rational numbers, R, real numbers, C, complex numbers. Statistics symbols, stats are everywhere, from cricket scores to AI predictions. Mu, mean or average. Sigma, standard deviation, how spread out data is. SAS summation, adds up everything. SX means total of all values. P, probability, likelihood of an event, like P heads equals 0.5. Geometry symbols. Geometry shapes our world, literally. Angle, rotation between two lines. Deg, degree, unit of angle, 90 degrees equals right angle. P, pi, 3.14159, ratio of circle's circumference to diameter, your pizza math. Perpendicular, two lines meeting at 90 degrees. Parallel, lines that never meet, like railway tracks. Logic symbols. Logic is math that computers understand. Not, opposite of something. And true only if both are true. V, or true if at least one is true. Implies if A, then B, like if it rains, streets get wet. If and only if, both ways. You're a bachelor, you're unmarried. Math isn't just formulas, it's a language of logic, beauty, and discovery. Every symbol tells a story of balance, change, and connection. So next time you see pi or infinity, remember, you're not just doing math, you're decoding the universe.